Meaning of head office.
Head office.
Head office.
Head office.
Head office. A head office is the main administrative center of a company or organization. It is typically where the top executives and management team work and make key decisions for the entire organization. The head office usually houses the central departments such as finance, human resources, marketing, and legal. It may also include research and development facilities, production centers, and distribution hubs. Essentially, the head office is the heart of the organization and serves as a focal point for its operations and strategic direction. Overall, the head office plays a critical role in ensuring the success and growth of the company or organization.